So I just arrived at Valley of the Giants, Heather.
Yes, we have.
That was a bit formal, actually. I meant to say Hev. Anyway, this is going to be pretty cool. We just read a sign back there. A circumference of 20 metres, some of these old trees, and up to, what, a few hundred, 400 years old. Pretty amazing. So now we get to walk amongst the treetops. I was a bit scared to climb one yesterday, but now we get to walk a lot easier. It's actually quite narrow.
Yeah.
But this is very, almost trapezing across the top here. A little bit bouncy and very high. It's a great way to see it. This is pretty sweet. We just rocked up to Denmark and camping at a winery. Doesn't get much better. And they do pizzas. So there's the winery just down there. So we're at Rockcliffe Wines. We're camping just up the hill there. You wouldn't be able to see our caravan, but right by the vineyards. We've had a wine tasting, beautiful. Bought a couple. And they also do gelato. Beautiful gelato. So Steve H was the owner and made us all the gelato, and yeah, pretty awesome, wasn't it? Pretty nice. What are you laughing at?
I'm just here for decoration.
No, you're not. She's much more than that. And I don't chop her head off anymore either. So this is the spring that this beach is named after.
Waterfall.
Yeah, Waterfall. And it's not hot, is it, Hev?
No, it's cold.
In fact, it's very cold. And it flows all year round. And it's fed from a natural spring in one of the nearby national parks, which we forgot. But very, very cool having a waterfall on a beach. Love it. It was very hard to get in behind that one, which I do love doing.
Yeah.
So this is Elephant Rocks. How spectacular. Coming through that little mini chasm, I call it.
The mini chasm.
The mini chasm. But yeah, that, we were just saying that looks like a big elephant butt right there.
It's a head.
Oh, is that a head? See, it's quite obvious, isn't it?
Oh my goodness. Very wet.
This is next level. Beautiful swimming. Note to self. Come back for summer.
Yeah, we're going to do the Granite Skywalk, which is a class 5, 130 metre return. Takes us along the Granite Skywalk.
Heather and I both read the sign wrong. We're expecting 170 metres.
I thought it was 130.
We're a kilometre in, puffing. Didn't bring any water. Damn.
I don't know how.
No, yeah. Anyway, hopefully it'll be good. Here we are, Castle Rock.
Yeah.
Another mini chasm. This is quite spectacular here.
Apparently it's 2.2 k's up here before you start climbing.
Oh, don't talk about that. We were both read the sign and it said 170 metres, but that was starting from the 2.2 kilometre track.
Yeah, it wasn't clear.
So you walk 2.2 and then it's 170 metres that you walk. But it's worth it because it's bloody spectacular. Oh, we're on the top of Castle Rock and it sure is a castle, isn't it? It's amazing and it's free.
It's huge.
Yeah, like I said, national parks, pay for your national park pass and you're in.